Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, all eyes are on Brazil as a critical new phase of ANVISA's regulation RDC 751 sent ripples through the industry. For companies outside of Latin America, this represents a significant and immediate challenge. RDC 751, which replaced the older regulatory framework, has fundamentally restructured the requirements for medical device registration. The focus of the latest clarification is on the technical dossier. ANVISA now demands a documentation structure that is substantially different from both the previous Brazilian system and the European Union's technical file. This is not a simple rebranding of documents, it is a ground-up rethinking of how device information is presented and verified. For instance, a major pain point is the new classification system. Devices that were previously in a lower risk class might now be elevated, demanding more stringent clinical evidence and post-market surveillance plans. Consider a real-world case we are seeing. A North American company with a successful Class 2B cardiovascular device, which has full FDA and CE mark approval, attempted to use their existing documentation for their Brazilian submission. Under the new interpretation of RDC 751, their submission was flagged for deficiencies. ANVISA required new, specific clinical data relevant to the Brazilian population and a completely reformatted risk management file. This resulted in an unexpected 6-month delay and significant unforeseen costs. The key takeaway is that assuming your existing international approvals will guarantee a smooth entry into Brazil is now a critical mistake. Companies must proactively conduct a gap analysis of their technical dossiers against RDC 751 specific requirements. This includes re-evaluating device classification, ensuring clinical data meets the new standards, and adapting labeling and instructions for use to local requirements. The Brazilian market remains one of the most promising in the world, but navigating its regulatory landscape has become more complex than ever. For expert guidance on adapting your strategy and ensuring a successful market entry, you can email or visit Pure Global.